Today we will be discussing on how to load GCash through MoneyGram. So first, open the GCash app. As you know, you need to type in your IMPIN, that's your GCash password. And once you're logged in with your GCash account, you need to choose cash in. So just tap on the cash in button, and then you'll see options there and choose MoneyGram. On the amount section, you need to type in there the expected amount. That's the amount that the sender is sending to you. And then type in the reference number, and once everything is complete, just tap on next. So once you verified everything, the money will go right into your GCash account. That's all for today. Again, my name is Dennis. Please subscribe and have a great day.